Hey guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Andre. And for today's video, I may i-review and i-unbox tayo na product. So this is a TWS or a True Wireless Stereo Wireless Earphones from Airpods 3.page on Shopee. So sila po yung nagpadala sa atin last year at ngayon pinadala ulit nila tayo ng bago nilang product. And yun, you can search their shop, Airpods Wireless Earphones on Shopee or Shopee/Airpods3.ph. So, this is a wireless earphone and merong mga bago dito which is supported siya ng wireless charging, GPS location kung saan if ever na mawala nyo itong earphone na to, you can track it or you can locate it using its GPS. And meron din siyang 6D Ultra Noise Reduction and many more. So, later on, i-discuss natin yung kanyang mga features and specification. But for now, I just want to say thank you sa Airpods3.ph for sponsoring this video and also i-unbox muna natin itong product na to. And meron din silang kasama pinadala sa atin na lanyard. So itong lanyard na to ay yung kasama dito. So, and may freebie sila na gano'n. Although it's a small gift lang siya but it's appreciated. Thank you so much. So now let's unbox this TWS. So TWS stands for True Wireless Stereo Wireless Earphones. So yun yung ibig sabihin ng mga TWS na nabibili natin online. So we'll check its features, its design, and kung gaano kaganda itong earphones ito. Box these TWS wireless earphones. Ayan. It's a true wireless earphones. So, ito siya. Ayan. Ito yung kanyang itsura. As you would notice, sobrang ganda at very minimalist lang guys. Wala kang makikita ng mga LED lights katulad nung other TWS na earphones na basta tinanggal mo tong pinaka-earphones sila may mga umiilaw. But this one, it's just plain. Wala siyang ilaw. And also, kapag nilagay mo siya here, ang makikita mo lang ilaw is this color green na it means nag-charge ng iyong mga earphones. Alright guys, for its specification, it has a 5 to 6 gram of weight on single earphone. It has a working time of about 3 to 4 hours and a battery capacity of earphone which is 35 mAh and a battery capacity of its charging box which is 250 mAh. And this earphone has a wireless charging capability, so it supports wireless charging and wired charging. Also, it has a feature of this noise reduction with its new 6D intelligent features. Another feature is that it is a GPS supported, so you can find your earphone if you lost it, so you can use it on your iOS devices. And lastly, it is supported by voice assistant. Another additional feature of this earphone is that it is automatically reconnect to your phone when it is turned on. Also, it is a smart compatibility to your Android and iOS devices. It also has an in-ear smart sensor which a touch control compatible with wireless charging. And lastly, it has a 3 different sizes for ear tips. So it started from extra small, small, and large. So you don't need to worry if the ear tip is not fitted or not suited to your ears. Another feature is that it has a built-in speaker for your GPS location. And it can support to a wired charging or wireless charging. Alright guys, so that's all for the review and unboxing of these wireless earphones na pinadala sa atin. So thank you so much for watching guys. And if you're interested with this product, you can check it out in the description box. Nandun yung kanyang product link and yung ibang specification about this product. So that's all for today's video guys. Thank you so much for watching.